Today I will be reviewing the Milwaukee M12 Detail Sander. Hello and welcome to another TopBuild Carpentry's tool review. So today I'm going to be giving a review on the Milwaukee Detail Spot Sander, and I'll be giving a rundown on when and how we use this. So we've been using this now for about 6 months, and I've got to say I'm very impressed. It's lightweight, it does exactly what it should do, and yeah, it's just an all-round great little sander. So we have become to use this very regular, every other day if not daily at some point. So we use it whether it's something woodworking we're making, if there's any like tight corners to get inside, or if there's any intricate beading with shapes on and we can't get into it. We'll use that, and I'll show you how we use it for that now. But also in between spray painting coats, we do obviously a lot of spray painting here. So in between denibbing, any little corners that would usually be a bit of a nightmare to get inside, this thing has been like a godsend. The fact that it's like battery powered and it's lightweight, it just really is good for the money in my eyes. Now, talking of the money, so in the UK currently, these are between 120, 130 pound, body only, and then you've got the batteries then to go and buy. So for us, if it's not getting inside a tight corner, or it's not getting into a little tiny space where you haven't got much room to play, this is great because it's so lightweight, it's so small, battery powered, it just works a treat. But also if you've got some intricate beading, like we do a lot of, there's times when we want to get into the nooks and crannies, and with the interface pad on, you know, it will allow us to get in there. Hopefully this review has helped, and hopefully if you was looking at getting one of these, I would highly recommend it. Do come back and subscribe. I'll be doing more tool reviews ahead. I'll be doing other reviews on different products, and also videos around the workshop on the different types of woodwork and fitted furniture that we make and how we make it. If you do want to see any of that work, head over to Instagram, TopBuild Carpentry. Thanks for watching.